Hello and welcome to the fixing tutorial of the GARDE classic, the analog wooden chess clock, Schachuhr. You basically need your clock and a screwdriver. Take the clock out of the package. Remember to put something soft underneath so nothing harms the glass in front. First thing you need to do is to screw open the back side. I've already started with 3 of the screws. I'm just going to take out the last one. Then you need to unscrew the little butterfly screws. Which you usually use for winding up the clocks. There you go. Now you see the inner of the clock. You can see how it works when you turn on the respective clock. And as you can see, one of the most common problems that might arise is that these pieces of metal do not stop or start the clock properly. So what you would then need to do is, when turning it on and off, check the position of them and then by hand bend them a little so they work properly. Here you can see this one is a bit too close, so you bend it away slightly until it works just fine. I'll give you a close-up. These parts here. When both player buttons are in the middle position, both clocks should be stopped. If you still need to adjust, the next step to take is to unscrew So when wind it up, now both clocks should be running. Now if you want to access the front of the clock, you need to unscrew these screws here. This one, this one, this one, and this one. These 4 are enough. Then you need to take out the player buttons. Make sure to store all single pieces in a way that you can find them again later. And you take off the little ring here. And then you can take off the player button. Take out the player button. Same on the other side. Now here, should you need to fix the minute hand, you can now put it back on and fixate it with some glue. You see, it is very important that you always set the clock in an upright position. If you do not, the minute hand can get stuck with the flag, as you can see here. And this can lead to the minute hand to fall off. It's always important. Keep the clock upright when setting it. Now we put everything back into place. With some gentle force. And all the screws go back. All the screws go back where they belong. Put player buttons back inside, then the bumpers, then the little rings holding the bumpers where they belong, formed like a C. as you can see now, the spring is not starting the right clock properly. So we have to adjust the spring a little. Now it is working properly. Thank you very much for watching our video, and if you have any questions, just feel free to contact us.